Hello, welcome to DevDog Wargaming. Today we have an unboxing video for you. This is the Maximus Battle Group, the eagerly awaited Mark IV Assault Marines and Tactical Marines. I'm just going to dive straight into the box. So on the back here we've got the contents. We've got 20 Tactical Marines, 10 Assault Marines, a Sicaran Battle Tank and a Contemptor Dreadnought. The Dreadnought and the Sicaran are just added bonuses. What we're really interested in is the Marines. So here's the box. We've got our bag of bases that come with every box of Marines. Got our Tactical Marines here. 1, 2, 3, 4 sprues of those, and then we also have our additional sprues for all the gubbins that go with them. Just organised the box a little bit better so I could find everything at the same time. So we have the Contemptor sprues here. We've seen these many a times because many people bought many Contemptor Dreadnoughts during 2nd edition Heresy. We also have the sprues for the Sicaran. There. And finally we have the Assault Marine sprue. So this is exactly the same as the Jump Pack sprue in the Mark VI box. These sprues, however, which looks like 2 mirrored sprues, are all new and are for the Mark VI Assault Marines. We'll take a look in better detail in a minute. Taking a look at the Assault sprue, we've got 5 Marines per sprue. We've also got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 helmeted heads and an unhelmeted head. We've got a hand here, which is a nice interesting pose. 5 power spears, which, looking at the hands, is going to be certain spears go with certain arm combinations. Got 5 left-handed bolt pistols, 5 right-handed chainswords, and a spattering of arms. I think we're all used to tactical squad sprues now. I've got this nice addition of the van braces to go with the assault and heavy weapon arms to make those kits into Mark IVs. Got the same variety of poses that we've had on every other tactical squad. I've got a Mark VI sprue here, and you can see this body is the same as this body. And this body here is the same as... Oh, you know what? I think we might have a slight difference in poses. Because that's a right leg there. That's a left leg, that's a left leg. That's a left leg. I think we might actually have a slight difference in poses on these kits. We've got the usual selection of helmets, bodies. We've got the Mark IV bolters, so it's a different style to the bolters included in the other kits. We've also got our Nuncio Vox stroke Vexilla backpad here. So my final thoughts on the box are it's going to be a great addition to any army. You've got the core for pretty much any legion that you might want to use. I usually collect Raven Guard, but I'm using Mark VIs for those, so these are going to be seeing use in a Shattered Legion, World Eaters and Word Bearers army. I will be bringing some videos on of how I'm going to paint them up. In the meantime, happy hobbying.